Alright, so today I'm going to share my strategy with you guys as to what strategy I use trading every day, every morning to make some bread. So my strategy is called the London breakout strategy. It's very simple. I'm gonna explain it. I'm in a live trade, by the way, right now. I'm aiming for $1,400, $500 on the line, stop loss. Entered the market here, and I'm writing it up. So yeah, but it's called the London breakout strategy. So here's how it goes, okay, guys. Let's see if I can. Okay. All right, so what I do is I mark. So there's three sessions when it comes to trading. There's three major sessions. That's the Asia session, followed by the London session, followed by the New York session. All three sessions have different banks and institutions that enter the market that affect the market. Now, usually what happens in one session could basically be like a limitation, a ceiling or a floor for the next session, okay? So the London session is the session before the New York session. So I mark the start of the London session, which is this yellow line right here, and then the start of the New York session. Once I mark those, what I do is I mark the highs of the London session, the highs from open of the London session, and the lows during the London session before the New York session open. And I use this as my wavelength to decide if there's going to be a breakout above or below. So the very second that price usually bounce off this or bounce off this, but the second that price breaks above it, I enter for a buy. The second that it breaks below it, I enter for a sell. I take a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So if I risk $500, I'm aiming for 1,000. I should probably bring that down to 1,000. 1,000. Yeah, somewhere around here. I'll take 1,000. Hopefully it hits my profit target. Right now I'm $300 up, but yeah. And let's bring that back up here. Somewhere around here. Price could be okay. Yeah, so I usually take a 2-to-1 risk ratio, and then I trail my stop loss up as my trade is winning, and then depending on if it reach halfway and I see a little bit resistance halfway for my take profit, I exit the market. If it's continue going up, I continue trailing my profits. Now, this strategy works within the first hour or two of market open. You don't want to be really doing that after probably 4 hours, 5 hours of the market. You know, if you don't get a play during that time, then you want to exit. So every day I've been using the London breakout strategy. Your win rate is going to be somewhere around like 60 to 70%. It will not win every single time. Nothing in the stock market is 100%, but that's a strategy I use every day to secure profits. I mean, I could pull out $250 right now and call it a day, you know, but I'm aiming for higher than that. So hopefully, let's see how that plays out in my favor, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you found this helpful, just leave a like and subscribe. Simple. Money.